Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Yonis. Today I'm bringing you a short vlog about food festival in our university. And this guy, what are you doing here? No, what are you doing? Seriously.
To give you some introduction about the
And
food.
this guy, he wants to make advertisement for this.
For the cola.
Yeah, not cola, it's Sprite.
Sprite, yeah.
See, it's
Chinese. I don't even know what that means.
It doesn't matter.
but you can what? Titao. Advertisement for Titao.
Not yet.
No.
But it's coming soon, man, guys.
Yeah, wait
Be
for
ready.
it.
Wait for it.
So now we are going. Let's go. Come.
I'll fight someone another one. Papa polisler geldi.
I finished. I took it. No, I already took it. I finished. Yeah, I
So guys, today was the second day of this food festival going in our university, and everything is going well. As you can see, people are buying the food. At the same time, the students, they are dancing for them and singing for them. You know, this is what we like: dancing, singing, living our life. Hi, come. My friend.
Not synthetic, my tear dropping down like the ocean Pacific. Never knew the love for me was so epic. Now I'm calling your phone and you don't wanna pick. And you don't wanna pick. Now I'm calling your phone and you don't wanna pick.
Instead of treating you as my best friend, but I took you as an enemy. I had you crying every night. I couldn't be there by your side. Said you don't know, baby. Said you don't know what you got until you let it go. Now you're down on your knees, begging me. So you don't miss the well till the water run dry. Don't miss the sun till it starts to slow. Don't miss the rain till the sun starts to shine. Hey, yeah, I miss you.
Okay, body by your shit. So my baby don't tell.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hey,
Like,
come
subscribe,
here,
share.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Right?
Come on.
Like, subscribe, share, and keep studying Chinese.